Hey folks, I'm here to teach the banjo version of the tune I did last week, Sourwood Mountain from Ernie Carpenter. And if you hadn't checked out the Patreon, this is pretty well what goes on. One week I'll do a fiddle version, and the next week I'll do a banjo version of the same tune. So you can learn both instruments, or just get a feel for like what the banjo could do to the fiddle, or vice versa. Or you can get a friend learning too and play these tunes together. So let's just jump right in. Key of G, standard tuning, clawhammer style, Sourwood Mountain. My true love's a blue-eyed daisy, hey ho, the diddle day. I don't get her, I'm going crazy, hey ho, the diddle day. I went out on the Sourwood Mountain, run boys run, you better get away. So many pretty girls I can't count, run boys run, you better get away. And that's all there is to it. If you want to learn it, just join us at the link that's coming along with this, and you can learn this tune and a ton of other ones like it from Israel Welch, Melvin Wine, a bunch of stuff from Hampshire County. I've got beginner packets for banjo, fiddle, all sorts of stuff there to take a look at, and it's just $5 a month, and part of it will go to local students here in Hampshire County. So hope you'll support what we're working on.